Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Two cars travel at constant speeds. Car A travels 156 miles in 3 hours, and Car B travels 117 miles in 2.25 hours. Write a direct variation equation for each car relating distance d to time t. Which car is faster? At their respective constant speeds, how much farther will the faster car travel in 5 hours compared to the slower car? Now, let us work through the solution step by step. A direct variation equation relates distance to time as d equals k times t, where k is the constant of variation, in this context the speed in miles per hour. We find k by dividing distance by time. Car A travels 156 miles in 3 hours. Dividing 156 by 3 gives 52 miles per hour. So Car A's direct variation equation is d equals 52t. Car B travels 117 miles in 2.25 hours. Converting 2.25 to the fraction 9 over 4, we divide 117 by 9 over 4, which equals 117 times 4 over 9, giving 468 over 9, which equals 52 miles per hour. Car B's direct variation equation is also d equals 52t. Comparing the two constants of variation, both Car A and Car B have a speed of exactly 52 miles per hour. The two cars are traveling at the same speed. Neither one is faster. When we graph both equations on the same coordinate plane, with time on the horizontal axis and distance on the vertical axis, we get the exact same line through the origin for both cars. This confirms they travel at an equal speed of 52 miles per hour. Substituting t equals 5 into each equation, Car A travels 52 times 5 equals 260 miles, and Car B also travels 52 times 5 equals 260 miles in 5 hours. The difference in distance is 260 minus 260, which equals 0 miles. Since both cars travel at the same speed of 52 miles per hour, they cover identical distances in any equal time interval. To summarize, Car A's speed is 156 divided by 3, which is 52 miles per hour. Car B's speed is 117 divided by 2.25, which is also 52 miles per hour. Both cars have the direct variation equation d equals 52t. In 5 hours, both travel 260 miles, so the faster car travels 0 miles farther. They are equally fast. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.